Are you looking to enhance your flexibility and find relaxation through yoga? Yoga is a powerful practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote overall well-being. In this guide, we'll explore how yoga can help you improve flexibility and achieve a state of relaxation. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to incorporate yoga into your daily routine. And remember, we have a quick actionable cheat sheet at the end, so stick around. Key concepts. Let's dive into the key concepts of yoga for flexibility and relaxation. 1. Understanding yoga. Yoga is a holistic practice that originated in ancient India. It involves physical postures, asana, breathing techniques, pranayama, and meditation. Different styles of yoga, such as hatha and vinyasa, offer various approaches to flexibility and relaxation. 2. Benefits of yoga. Yoga provides numerous benefits, including improved flexibility, reduced stress, enhanced mental clarity, and better overall health. It also promotes relaxation and helps manage anxiety and depression. 3. Yoga poses for flexibility. Certain yoga poses are particularly effective for increasing flexibility. Examples include downward dog, forward bend, and pigeon pose. These poses stretch multiple muscle groups, improving overall flexibility. 4. Yoga for relaxation. Yoga practices like restorative yoga and yoga nidra focus on relaxation. These practices involve gentle stretches and guided relaxation to calm the mind and body. The impact on you. Incorporating yoga into your routine can have a profound impact on your life, both emotionally and practically. 1. Emotional benefits. Yoga helps reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. The mindfulness aspect of yoga encourages you to stay present, reducing negative thought patterns. 2. Practical benefits. Regular yoga practice improves flexibility, making daily movements easier and more fluid. It also enhances posture and alignment, reducing the risk of injury. 3. Real-life scenarios. Consider Sarah, who started practicing yoga to improve her flexibility and reduce stress. Within a few months, she noticed increased mobility and a calmer mind. Or think of John, who used yoga to enhance his athletic performance and found it helped him recover faster from workouts. These real-life examples illustrate the practical benefits of yoga. Practical tips and actionable advice. Here are some practical tips to help you get started with yoga for flexibility and relaxation. Tip 1. Start with beginner-friendly poses. Begin with poses that are accessible and easy to perform. Poses like cat-cow, child's pose, and seated forward bend are great for beginners. Tip 2. Practice consistently. Incorporate yoga into your routine regularly to see improvements in flexibility and relaxation. Even 10-15 minutes a day can make a difference. Tip 3. Focus on breath. Pay attention to your breath during practice. Deep, mindful breathing enhances relaxation and helps you stay present. Tip 4. Use props. Utilize yoga props like blocks, straps, and bolsters to support your practice. These tools can help you achieve poses more comfortably and safely. Tip 5. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet, peaceful environment for your yoga practice. This helps create a calming atmosphere conducive to relaxation. Techniques and habits. Incorporating these techniques and habits can enhance your yoga practice. Technique 1. Mindful breathing. Practice deep, mindful breathing during your yoga sessions. This helps calm the mind and enhances the benefits of the poses. Technique 2. Progressive stretching. Gradually deepen your stretches over time. Avoid pushing too hard and listen to your body to prevent injury. Technique 3. Meditation and mindfulness. Incorporate meditation and mindfulness practices into your routine. This can be as simple as a few minutes of seated meditation or focusing on your breath. Habit 1. Consistency over intensity. Focus on maintaining a regular practice rather than pushing for intense sessions. Consistency is key to long-term benefits. Habit 2. Set an intention. Begin each yoga session by setting a positive intention. This could be something like, I will focus on my breath, or, I will be present. Habit 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after practice. Respect your limits and modify poses as needed. Quick actionable cheat sheet. To help you on your yoga journey, here's a quick actionable cheat sheet. Tip 1. Start with beginner-friendly poses like cat-cow and child's pose. Tip 2. Practice regularly, even for just 10-15 minutes a day. Tip 3. Focus on deep, mindful breathing during practice. Tip 4. Use props like blocks and straps for support. Tip 5. Choose a quiet space for your practice. Tip 6. Practice mindful breathing to enhance relaxation. Tip 7. Gradually deepen your stretches, progressive stretching. Tip 8. Incorporate meditation and mindfulness into your routine. Tip 9. Maintain consistency over intensity in your practice. Tip 10. Set a positive intention at the beginning of each session. Tip 11. Listen to your body and modify poses as needed. Conclusion: yoga for flexibility and relaxation. Summarizing what we've discussed, incorporating yoga into your routine can significantly enhance your flexibility and promote relaxation. Remember to start with beginner-friendly poses, practice consistently, and focus on your breath. Yoga offers numerous emotional and practical benefits, making it a vital part of a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Please leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.